So hello everyone. In this video tutorial we'll discuss about installing Node.js and then further. So you could go to this link. I'll put this link in the description. Then you could install Node.js for the operating system that you're using. So I'm actually using my operating system is Linux, so it's showing download for Linux so and so. So I suggest you download long-term support version, so which will be quite stable compared to this one. Once you're done installing the Node.js for the operating system that you're using, so you can write your first Node.js application. So you can type it down, then basically you go ahead and create a folder and then create a file, then call it app.js and open that file in the text editor of your choice. I'm actually using Atom. So once you're done, you save the file and then you open your terminal or command prompt window and go to that location where you have your file app.js, and then let's type node app.js and press enter. So it means you don't see anything now, so it simply means your application is running in your local host server, and it's listening to the port number that you have specified here. So let's go to localhost colon 8080 and press enter. So there you go, that's your first application that's been executed. So you are actually making a request to this link and then it's responding back based on how you have scripted, which is to send hello world. So this one is request. So once you get that request, you have to respond. So this is your header, and this is the basically you're ending your response with hello world. So so let's go back. So here we'll discuss what's a module in Node.js. Module are like libraries in Python and JavaScript. So you can either you have lot of modules, open source modules that are available, just like how you have it for Python or JavaScript. And then you also have built-in modules, which is basically collection of functions that are scripted to do specific task. So basically you don't have to write them from the beginning. So it makes it a lot easier. So you have a lot of built-in modules in Node.js that you don't have to install or import. So and then you don't have to install them. So to include a module, you have to use this statement at the beginning of your script. So require your module name, then end it with a semicolon. So that's how you import a module in Node.js. So how can I create my own module? So here is how you do it. So this is the simple module that you could write. It's just like a couple of lines. So you create a new file in the same location as your app.js and then type it down. Basically what it's doing is, so you are creating a function called myDateTime, and then you are returning the current date of that. You are basically returning current date every time this function is called. So you will get a current date. So this function will return current date. So you just type these 3 lines and then you save the file as my date module or whatever you want, and then you save it in the same location as your app.js file, and then let's import that file in your script app.js. So let's so basically we are importing that particular a file as a module in your app.js script, and then we are printing it out next to hello date is so and so, whatever it is. Then when you go to localhost colon 8080, so you get this response for the request that you're making in this link. Yeah, clean and clear. So let's go ahead and do that. So sorry, my date module here. So this is what I've written. So basically you have to specify that you are exporting this function by stating export dot so and so function name. So you can call that whatever you want, but you are returning date. That's what you want. So once that's done, you go ahead and import it. So it's a variable. You can call that anything you want. Date you require, and then the name slash my date module.js, my date dot no, you don't have to specify JS, just end it with my date module. So this is location. Basically you don't have to go anywhere. So let's see, let's execute this. So Control Z. Okay, so it's throwing an error. So let's get rid of that. Okay, what is that? Dot /. Okay, so now it's executing. So let's go here, refresh it. So it's not responding anything. What is happening? Okay, so you have to call the function, which is not I'm basically doing. Hello datus plus concatenation dt dot call the function my date. So without brackets, it will become a variable. So you have to give the brackets. It's like basics. So let me see if I refresh it, does it get reflected? No. So I refresh it. Okay. So hello date is Monday, Feb 25, 2019, so on, so on. So it's working. So that's how you could write your own module in Node.js. So let's discuss further in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video.